Hi, I'm Caitlin with Dirt Road Dancing. Again, we're ready to stomp it out. This is the line dance A Little Bit Lit to Trace Adkins' song Lit. If you want to learn how to do it, don't be shy. You can click on the link right over there and that'll take you to a breakdown of all of the steps. But if you are here and you're ready to stomp it out, let's go ahead and listen. I'm going to turn around and we'll get started.
Lucky strike and a honky tonk, chicken frying on a chicken bone, Tennessee moonshiner cooking that copper line, granny drunk playing bingo yelling out B99, talking about lit. Fire up that stogie when the deal is done, short fuse black cat, everybody run. Linebacker when they bring the house, laying that shoulder to ya. Frat row when the tide rolls down in Tuscaloosa. Slide on over, move a little closer with that four-alarm fire engine red on your lips. So hot you got me smoking, girl, you got it going. Oh, you're the only one with a kiss that gets me lit. Grandpa fishing with dynamite, tree too dry with the Christmas lights, a little Sunday morning brimstone from a Pentecostal pastor, Keith Richards stone on rock and roll, tearing up that Telecaster. Slide on over, move a little closer with that four-alarm fire engine red on your lips. So hot you got me smoking, girl, you got it going. Oh, you're the only one with a kiss that gets me lit. You turn me on every time I'm next to you. Can't nobody light me up quite like you do. Slide on over, move a little closer with that four-alarm fire engine red on your lips. So hot you got me smoking, girl, you got it going. Oh, you're the only one with a kiss that gets me lit. Lucky strike and a honky tonk, chicken frying on a chicken bone, grandpa fishing with dynamite, tree too dry with the Christmas lights. We're talking about lit. Hey, everybody get lit. Come on, let's get